Hi, listeners. Yesterday I met my friend Tina. I asked her, Hey Tina, do you smoke? Not really. I'm a passive smoker because all my friends smoke. In this video, let us talk about doing a particular act or getting the act done by us. Confused? Don't be. This video is on active and passive voice. Sentences can be phrased in different ways, and we are going to talk about these two important styles of phrasing sentences. Let me start with a very simple example. So, when Tina said she is a passive smoker, she meant that she doesn't smoke, but she ends up smoking passively because her friends smoke around her. Tina's example was just to make you understand what do we mean by active and passive. Now coming to today's grammar activity, let us first talk about active voice. Sentences in active voice are easy to read and understand. In a sentence, there is going to be a subject, a verb, and an object. So, in an active voice sentence, we are talking about someone who does something. I am eating a chocolate. Here I am the doer, eating is the verb, and chocolate is the object. In passive voice, the doer, the hero of the act, actually becomes an agent. Passive voice makes the sentence murky. We can call it a U-turn from active voice. Here the object gets highlighted and the action also gets emphasized. Let us start with the activity. Let me also share how you can practice this test. Listen to the audio and see the text displayed on screen. You will get 10 seconds for every question. However, you may pause the video to attempt if you wish to. Record your answer on a device so that you can tally your answers later. You may even write your answers. Choice is yours. So let us get on to it. Best of luck. Active voice. Harry ate 6 shrimp at dinner. Who? Harry. What did he do? Ate. What did he eat? Shrimp. Passive voice. At dinner, 6 shrimp were eaten by Harry. What? 6 shrimp eaten. So here the object and the act are highlighted. And now our hero Harry has become the agent. Let us begin the test. Sue changed the flat tire. We are going to watch a movie tonight. Mom read the novel in one day. I will clean the house every Saturday. Tom painted the entire house. The teacher always answers the students' questions. A forest fire destroyed the whole suburb. The two kings are signing the treaty. The cleaning crew vacuums and dusts the office every night. The wedding planner is making all the reservations. Susan will bake 24 cupcakes for the bake sale. The science class viewed the comet. The director will give you instructions. So, did you see how the same idea can be written in dramatically different ways? Alternating between the active voice and the passive voice is powerful enough to change the subject of the sentence and shift the verb form. While the passive voice is not incorrect, it's usually less clear than the active voice. The next video is to make you comfortable with the U-turned sentences. Well, I'm talking about passive voice to active voice. Happy learning!